अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इकोनॉमिक्स एमसीक्यूज की नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ अपने चैनल से। फंडामेंटल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स का जो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वो है रेंट, इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट। इससे पहले कि हम अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करें, मेरी आप सब दोस्तों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें अपने तमाम दोस्तों के साथ। स्टार्ट करते हैं। The economist Ricardo argued that prices were dash because land rents were dash. Options are high, 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 low, or none of the above. And the right answer is none of the above, because correct statement will be that rent of land is high because prices of agricultural products are high. For an individual farmer, rent paid by him. Options are is part of cost and affects prices of the product, doesn't enter into price of his product, is unjustified or cannot be determined. And the right answer is part of cost and affects prices of the product. And for an individual farmer, rent paid by him is a part of cost and affects prices of the product. He presented a theory of rent. Options are Malthus, Allama Iqbal, Ricardo, or Marshall. And the right answer is Ricardo. Ricardo presented a theory of rent. The following affects rent except options are better location, fertility of land, cleverness of landlord, or scarcity of land. The right answer is cleverness of landlord. These are kind of rents except options are differential rent, scarcity rent, location rent, or mobility rent. And the right answer is mobility rent. According to Ricardo, rents are high because prices of product of land are options are low, constant, unstable, or high. And the right answer is high. According to Ricardo, rents are high because prices of produce of land are high. Quasi rent. Options are is permanent, is temporary, arises in long run only, or means high rent. The right answer is temporary. Quasi rent is temporary. Marginal land. Options are is uncultivable land, gets low rent, cannot be sold, or gets no rent. And the right answer is gets no rent. Marginal land gets no rent. Rent is calculated from options are most superior land, most inferior land, marginal land, or uncultivable land. And the right answer is marginal land. Rent is calculated from marginal land. This is capital. Options are money, forests, machinery, and trademarks. And the right answer is machinery. Machinery is a capital. According to Keynes, interest is a payment for options are consumer preferences, producer preferences, liquidity preferences, or state bank preferences. And the right answer is liquidity preferences. Interest is a payment for liquidity preferences. Interest is paid because options are capital is scarce, capital is productive, capital is attractive, A and B of above. And the right answer is A and B of above, as interest is paid because capital is scarce and productive. With decrease in price of bonds, rate of interest, options are decrease, increase, doesn't change, or none of the above. And the right answer is increase. With increase in price of bonds, rate of interest increase. Every factor of production gets reward equal to its options are cost, marginal product, price, increasing return. And the right answer is marginal product. Every factor of production gets rewards equal to its marginal product. According to Keynes, interest is a payment for options are uses of durable goods, use of capital, use of money, or use of land. And the right answer is use of money. According to Keynes, interest is a payment for use of money. In economics, capital refers to options are money, high quality goods, trademark, or machinery and factories. And the right answer is machinery and factories. In economics, capital refers to machinery and factories. He said interest is a payment for use of money. Option are Keynes, Marshall, Robbins, and Ricardo. And the right answer is Keynes. Keynes said that interest is a payment for use of money. If rate of interest is 10%, the present value PV or present value of rupees 100 received in 1 year time is options are 90, 90.90, 95 or 110. And the right answer is 90.90. The borrower has to pay interest because of options are his history, productivity of capital, greediness of capital, or scarcity of capital. And the right answer is scarcity of capital. The borrower has to pay interest because of scarcity of capital. Professor Knight is famous for his theory of options are rent, profit, population, or wages. And the right answer is profit. Professor Knight is famous for his theory of profit. Profits are residual payments, predetermined, fixed by contract, always higher than wages. And the right answer is residual payments. Profits are residual payments. Profits are options lower in long run than in short run, can be negative, are less in perfect competition than monopoly, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above, as profits are lower in the long run than in short run and can be negative and also less in perfect competition than monopoly. Profits are options necessary, unnecessary, can never be negative, or all illegal. And the right answer is necessary. Profits are necessary. Profit arises because an entrepreneur options prepares plan, innovates, lends money, A and B of above. And the right answer is A and B of above. Profit arises because an entrepreneur prepares plan and innovates. Profits are options like wages, like interest, always depends on chance, or none of the above is true. And the right answer is none of the above is true, as profits are not like wages, not like interest, not always depends on chance. Gross profit does not include options are rent of his own land, taxes, interest of his own capital, or pure profit. And the right answer is taxes. Gross profit does not include taxes. Some economists say that profit earner is a kind of options are rent receiver, interest receiver, wage earner, or government officer. And the right answer is wage earner. Some economists say that profit earner is a kind of wage earner. Risk in the business arises because options are introduction of new products, uncertain policy of rival firms, or change in taste, or all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above, as risk in business arises because introduction of new products, uncertain policy of rival firms, and changes in the taste. According to Professor Knight, risks are of dash kinds. Options are 2, 3, 4, many. And the right answer is 2. According to Professor Knight, risks are of two kinds. This is not a function of entrepreneur. Options are supervise, innovate, lend money, or prepare plan. And the right answer is lend money. Lending money is not a function of a entrepreneur. Gross profit includes monopoly profit, pure profit, windfall profit. All of the above are true. And the right answer is all of the above are true, as gross profit includes monopoly profit, pure profit, and windfall profit. He put forward the theory of profit. Options are Keynes, Adam Smith, Marshall, or Knight. And the right answer is Knight. Knight put forward the theory of profit. Profit arise. Options are only in monopoly because of uncertainty, shortages of goods, like interests. And the right answer is because of certainty. Profit arise because of uncertainty. Thank you so much for watching my video.